promised, in this video I'm going to provide an introduction to the full process of creating an animated video in Microsoft PowerPoint. I find that it's easier to learn if you get a taste of everything we'll be doing before we take a deep dive into each of the steps. Thus, over the next few minutes, I'm going to run through all of the steps and show you how to make a very basic animated video.
After we open a new file in Microsoft PowerPoint, we'll first clear the slide of any text boxes. What we want is a blank white slide. Instead of importing any graphics, we'll just draw and animate a few shapes. Click the Insert tab, then go to the Shapes drop-down and left-click any shape you like. I'm going to use the star. I'll click the star and then click and drag to increase the size. Here's a pro tip. If you hold the Shift key while you drag, the shape will retain equal dimensions on each side. What I want to do is have the star fly in from the left, spin around in the center, and then have it fly out to the right. I'll center the star in the slide and then click the Animations tab at the top of the screen. I'll select Fly In from the Animations menu, and then I'll use the Effect Options drop-down to set the side from which the star will fly in. By clicking the Animation Pane button, I can then play the current animations and see that the Fly In we just added works like a charm. Next, we want it to spin around in the center of the slide. Piece of cake. I'll select the object and click the Add Animations drop-down to select Spin from the menu. The last animation we want is a fly out to the right. Again, I'll click Add Animation, scroll down to the Exit Animations, and click Fly Out. Lastly, I'll need to set the direction of the fly out to right. Now, when we play the animations, we see that the star will fly in, spin around, and then fly out. But on the animation pane, you can see that all of the animations we just set are set to activate on click. We'll change for each of them the timing to after previous and add a bit of a delay so that we can really see what's happening. Since the slide now runs automatically, our next step will be to save it as a video. To do this, we'll click File, Save As Type, Windows Media Video, and then Save. We'll then see in the bottom runner of PowerPoint that our video is being created.
After the export is complete, you can navigate to the file on your computer, double-click it, and it should open in your default video player. Here's what the video we just made looks like. That's pretty impressive, right? Fret not. In the rest of this course, I'll show you how mastering this simple method can allow you to make much cooler videos. But first, we have to learn how to prepare PowerPoint for video making. That's in the next lecture. I'll see you on the other side.